1, 2. He don't swing a hammer, don't walk the line, just talks real loud about borrowed time. Points at shadows, swears they move, writes his threats with nothing to prove. Got a mouth full of warnings, pockets full of air, calls the room his jury, but nobody cares. Says non-party, better watch your tone, but he's talking to walls, man, all alone. He talks like thunder, don't bring rain, big loud words, same old strain. Shakes his fist, stamps his shoe, but the noise don't make it true. Every night's a warning, every day's a claim. Same old fire, different flame. Says I'm coming, never move, just rearranges old excuses. Who's he warning? Ain't us. Who's he scared? Nobody there. He talks like thunder, shakes the room, but the storm don't ever bloom. Paper thread, smoke filled air, big loud mouth, nothing there. If talk was muscle, he'd break these walls, but silence shows what ain't there at all. Talks like thunder, no rain falls, writes his name on crumbling walls. Clock keeps ticking, crowd moves on, still making threats when the song is gone. Alright, that's enough of that.